Hello friends, hope you are doing fine. Today's video is for the Bluetooth device is not working for Windows 10. I have also faced this problem. I am using Windows 10. Today I am trying to connect a Bluetooth device, the sound system, but instead there's could not connect. It's a Windows device is turned on about or something, the driver missing. This is the issue for the driver missing. I will show you how we can solve it very easily. So we will go to the our Windows update and check Windows update. Here we have to check view all option other update. That's mean here we find without Windows family updates like all type of driver updates related to my device. I have checked all those things and I will check all. That's mean that this all device driver is missing for after installation Windows 10, and in this all device we have one device for Bluetooth device. When I check this, it will show you. Yes, here is the Intel Corporation Bluetooth device. That's mean this device driver is missing. So all for the update all device, it device driver it may take 5 to 7 minutes. I will skip all the video and after all driver installation, I will give a restart to my laptop. After that, I will back again. Okay, thank you very much. It's I am back after the restart the my laptop. Yes, now see all the available Bluetooth device is showing around my laptop. I am connecting my sound system. It is said Micrologic, and now it is working perfectly. Hope you are enjoying the video. Thanks for watching and stay connected. Thank you very much.